Let's see another method, which is called separate chaining. Okay, in separate chaining, each element of hash table is a linked list. Okay, store an element in a hash table, you must insert it in a specific linked list. If there's any collision, store both elements in the same linked list. Okay, so let's see. Okay, in this case, okay, this example is very illustrative. Okay, you can understand what the scheme, okay, that can implement the separate chaining. Okay, for example, here the index, okay, is the bucket, and the bucket actually is an object reference pointing to the elements or key value pairs. Okay, if on this bucket has more than one, okay, you can see that the next one will be placed in the same location of the same bucket with the same hash code, and it is linked by the previous one. Okay, so you can imagine that is one linked by another one by one. So it is the implementation of the separate chaining. This is the common understanding and one implementation. There's another implementation by using separate chaining. Is that okay? The first bucket, okay, is not only used to store the reference to the next one, but it can also be used to store the value. Okay, so when there's the second one, you can add a linked list. Okay, if no, okay, the next pointer will be stored as null. So that is the case, okay, of the implementation of separate chaining.